In the meantime, the National Commercial Bank NCB is warning customers in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine to expect disruptions in its automated banking machine ABM services following Saturday's attack on a beryllium vehicle in St. Thomas. This warning is due to reduced operations by Beryllium Limited. NCB is therefore urging customers to plan accordingly and consider alternative banking options such as online and mobile banking services. In a tweet today, NCB said it understood that this may cause inconvenience and frustration. The bank sought to assure customers that it is working diligently to minimize the impact. And it's understood that the police have detained several suspects in connection with the attempted robbery.